Today, I'll show you how to create a task list in Clio Manage. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and keep everything organized, you've come to the right place. Clio Manage offers robust features that make task management intuitive and efficient. Whether you're onboarding a new client or preparing for a trial, a properly structured task list can save you time and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate your way to the Tasks section. You can find this by looking at the left-hand navigation menu on your Clio Manage dashboard. Once you click on Tasks, you'll be taken to a new page where you'll see all your current tasks. But for today, our focus is not on the individual tasks themselves, but on creating a structured task list. At the top of this main canvas page, you'll notice a sub-tab labeled Task Lists. Go ahead and click on that. The Task List sub-tab is where you'll manage and organize all your task list templates. This feature is particularly useful if you have recurring tasks that you need to manage across different projects or clients. To create a new task list, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New Task List. Click on it and you'll be prompted to input some details for your new task list. This is where you can get creative and tailor your list to fit your specific needs. Start by entering a clear and descriptive name for your task list template. This is crucial because it helps you and your team quickly identify the purpose of the list without needing to open it every time. For example, if you're creating a list for new clients, you might name it Client Onboarding Checklist. Alternatively, if you're preparing for court, a name like Personal Injury Trial Prep would be fitting. Remember, the key here is clarity, so choose a name that immediately conveys the list's purpose. Next, you'll want to type in a description. This is where you can provide more context about when and how to use this task list. Detailing these aspects can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're working with a team. A well-thought-out description ensures that everyone is on the same page and understands the scenarios in which this task list should be applied. Whether it's a brief note or a detailed explanation, the description is your opportunity to communicate the list's intended use effectively. Once you've entered both the name and description, it's time to save your new task list. Look for the Save button and give it a click. Congratulations, you've just created a task list in Clio Manage. This list is now ready to be used and can be a powerful tool in your organization's workflow. By taking these steps, you've not only created a framework for efficiently managing tasks, but also set the stage for better collaboration and productivity within your team. Task lists in Clio Manage are an excellent way to ensure that every detail is accounted for and that your projects run seamlessly from start to finish. So there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to create task lists in Clio Manage. Feel free to explore further, customize your lists as needed, and watch how this feature can enhance your daily operations. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.